Do Chinese drones threaten America's best new fighter jets? Should America keep pouring billions into building these things if they can be outmatched by cheaper, more efficient Chinese drones? Drones are no longer just futuristic gadgets. They are at the center of a technological revolution, transforming industries and redefining modern warfare.
DJI is known as the world's largest manufacturer of civilian drones. So that means everything from a small consumer drone that you might use for home videos, all the way up to products that are used in the agricultural sector. We're talking big 55 kilograms and above products that are used for agricultural seed spreading, spraying pesticides and things along those lines.
Whether it's search and rescue operations, agriculture, firefighting, or military applications, drones are rapidly becoming a part of daily life. But one company stands head and shoulders above the rest: DJI. And of course, DJI is Chinese.
During Russia's invasion of Ukraine.
A $500 product is able to drop little bombs into car windows. And that's something where you just haven't really seen with other technology.
The Chinese tech giant has achieved a level of dominance unparalleled in the drone industry. In fact, DJI accounts for around 80% of all drones sold worldwide. Now that is an insane amount of drones.
Allowing artificially cheap DJI drones to monopolize our skies has decimated American drone manufacturing. America has been flooded with drones manufactured by CCP-controlled drone company DJI.
As the global leader in drone tech, being a Chinese company that absolutely batters all American companies in their own market, DJI has of course become a source of controversy, especially in the United States. There are echoes of national security concerns and even concerns that DJI drones could one day render American next generation fighter jets obsolete, with this week Elon Musk leading the conversation on whether or not to scrap the American fighter jet program they have been working on for decades. That won't make many people over at Boeing or Lockheed very happy, will it? But are these concerns justified? And will America end up banning DJI drones from being sold in America?
The next argument is really about how America just needs to have an industry in this space. And so it seems very, very clear that this is more about protectionism and about trying to build up a US-based industry.
Now, DJI isn't just leading the pack when it comes to drone technology. It quite literally is the pack. The company controls an incredible amount of the global drone market, far outpacing any competitor. From drones like these, to drones used to dust crops, to even the drones that Netflix uses. They are all DJI products, and they are the company that every competitor in the space wishes to emulate. But of course they can't, because DJI have Chinese manufacturing capabilities behind them, which we all know are the best in the world. As mentioned in this clip by American former head of DJI North America.
They have real engineering chops and they have real innovation chops, and they can make things very quickly and very inexpensively. So, they will be a force to be reckoned with for sure.
So of course, listening to that, it's no wonder that DJI dominates. And this dominance hasn't gone unnoticed in the US. The US government has increasingly scrutinized DJI, alleging that its drones pose a national security threat by potentially transmitting sensitive data to Chinese authorities, even though the drones can be used without actually being connected to the internet. And forget that literally everything else around you is also made in China. So it doesn't really add up that the criticisms, make sense, are justified, or hold any weight to them whatsoever. It actually seems that by targeting DJI, the US could be trying to level the playing field for American drone manufacturers, who of course have struggled to compete against DJI's superior technology and affordability, so trying to prop up their own companies by restricting others. These days, drones aren't just tools for civilians or emergency service workers like firefighters or police, they are reshaping the battlefield. In the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, drones have played a pivotal role in reconnaissance and even direct attacks, which we have all seen. Their ability to operate in dangerous environments while minimizing human risk has made them a game changer in modern warfare. Modern warfare has completely evolved due to drones, and this is without adding AI into the mix. Once drones become completely unmanned and autonomous, operating in swarms to attack targets, some people have said that they will be utterly indefensible. So once again, China, through DJI, finds itself at the centre of another technological shift. So it's no wonder that America are worried. DJI's drones, originally designed for civilian use, have been adapted for military purposes by both sides in current ongoing conflicts. And this is not DJI's fault. And as drones become more capable and versatile, some experts have begun to question the relevance in this day and age of having traditional fighter jets. Why invest billions in manned aircraft when drones can achieve similar or even superior results at a fraction of the cost with a lower risk to life? Fighter jets, once symbols of aerial supremacy, may soon be outmatched by swarms of these agile, autonomous drones. And if this shift happens, which it looks like it already has, China, with DJI leading the charge, will have a significant advantage. At the recent Zhuhai Air Show, China unveiled some of its most advanced fighter jets and drones. And looking at these new drones, it begs the question as to whether or not America actually do still retain that military superiority over China that they claimed to have. What's remarkable, let's not forget, is that despite perhaps China having technological supremacy in drone manufacturing and other military areas, they have consistently maintained a policy of non-aggression. Unlike other global powers, it has refrained from using its advanced military capabilities on neighbours or elsewhere around the world to initiate conflicts. While the DJI company has officially denounced the use of its drones in military operations, it's of course nearly impossible to prevent their misuse once they enter the global market. And it's not just military applications that DJI has no say over. Of course, they are also being used to smuggle drugs over the Mexico-US border.
We created the 3DR Solo. We were now competing against DJI, which was thousands of employees. And so going into Christmas, DJI had the flexibility to be able to just say, okay, we're gonna take our price from $1,200 to $499. And that's a huge price up. Now it's $499 versus $1,500. So now we are triple the price of the Phantom 3, which is also, as everyone knows, a fantastic drone.
For all its concerns about DJI, America has yet to produce a viable alternative that can compete on a global scale with the company. And many American companies have tried and failed, with none having come even close to matching DJI's combination of innovation and affordability. So it seems that whatever America tries to throw at DJI to destabilize them, DJI's position at the top seems pretty secure. And even if America do ban DJI from operating in the American market, they can't really do anything about DJI operating in other markets around the world. So it's not as if even banning them is going to prevent the innovation of DJI. No matter what, it seems like DJI have too much of a business moat, a technological moat, an innovative moat now where any company is gonna come close to them. But one thing is clear. DJI has placed China at the forefront of the drone age, leaving the rest of the world scrambling to catch up. Could DJI actually become the most important company in the future? Will American companies ever catch up? Have China pulled ahead in military superiority? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.